Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Porsche 981 Cayman that we've just upgraded with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, as well as an integrated reversing camera, walking you through the full installation that we've done today. So make sure you stay right to the very end, enjoy the video and hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So on the Porsche 981 that we've worked on today, this is a Cayman, and this customer's actually come over to us from another video that we did on an Apple CarPlay solution on a Boxer. In terms of solution, we've got fully integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus we've also gone on this particular solution a fully integrated reversing camera. Reversing camera is using what's called our Profit Wedge camera, really discreet. It's actually a physical cable run all the way to the front of the vehicle. What is involved in that is removal of the bumper, removal of the spoiler, everything's put back to exactly how we found it. Then obviously cable run goes all the way through the vehicle into a control box. Control box is then linked into the actual factory radio itself. What's involved in that is actually dismantling the factory Porsche radio. On this one it's the CDR31 unit, dismantling that and actually putting in new ribbon cables, modifying that radio to allow for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as the reversing camera. A really integrated solution that works perfectly well, plus it's an OEM look. The other thing that we've done is the next level on installs is actually going in, replacing the microphone for that as well, so you've got full functionality for hands-free, but we're not just putting the microphone up at the top, which a lot of installs we have done in the past. However, we're going one step further on a lot of these installs now. We've actually flushed that into the top panel. It looks really nice. Plus we've got a fully integrated solution there. So now you've got loads of connectivity, Spotify integration, map integration, plus all your phone calls, plus music streaming is all live now directly on that new head unit. It's a really effective solution. Plus the reversing camera looks really nice. As soon as you engage reverse, it goes straight live on that screen, full size. Plus on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you've got a full color screen as well now, converting from that dated sort of Porsche look that you had before. If you're interested in something similar, do exactly what this customer did. Drop us a line on any of our social media platforms or drop us an email. All the links for that will be below, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. But thank you very much for watching and we'll see you soon.